that. What time is it? Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm doing a room tour. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a whole upstairs room tour. My parents' room is in here, but I can't show you that because my parents are sleeping after working all night. Here's a closet for towels and stuff. Here is the laundry room. Yeah, kind of fancy. Here's the living room. TV, couches. Here's the remote right here. Here is my brother's room. Here's his bed, closets in there, storage stuff in a drawer. He has extra stuff here and here. My next, which is probably the cleanest room in the house. Organized there. This is in a box. There's a bunch of toys in there. I covered it up with this big animal. Here's another box. I have toy trucks here, big toy trucks. So I kept them there because they're really big. Here's a drawer, underwears, socks, and extra clothes, really. And I added some paper in there because I was trying to do decoration and I failed. Here is the top of my drawer. Fancy. Here's my clothes. Shirts when we go out. Shorts when we go out. Extra clothes. PJs. Shorts for home. And shirts for home. Here's the bed. Pretty nice. Has some extra coats here, but whatever. I got a bunch of pillows here and then the blanket. Alright. Then here is the closet. You can't really see it. Then here's some more clothes in the back here. Here is the bathroom. Pretty nice tour here. Pretty clean. Here's the toilet. Ooh, someone didn't flush. Here's the shower. Towels and my swimsuit. And then here's the mirror. You guys can see me. Hi guys. Alright, let's get out of here. Here's my sister's room. She doesn't allow me to come in here, but she's not in here. Bread, drawer things, belts from Taekwondo, nightstand, whatever, bean bag with some stuff, a drawer, and her closet. I wish I had a nice camera and a speaker, but I don't, so if you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry. I still have some time left to record the video, so I'll go downstairs. As you guys can see, we just went downstairs. Here's the door where guests come. The garage. You can't really see it here. We even have a TV here. We have our own gym, storage back there and two fridges, shoe shelf, shoe shelf, shoe shelf. We store pots here, all our extra ones, storage. So if you come inside from the garage, you see a bunch of this old school stuff. We see some shoes here, storage, insure for my little brother, books and stuff, slippers. Come on, guys. Alright, so that's the end of that. So here's the door here. Then we have a little closet here. Open it, you can't really see it, but there's a lot of jackets in here and storage. You go over here, you go here. Here are the house rules. Ask nicely, wait your turn, have a good attitude, know when to keep your promises, remember to laugh, drop the up, answer the phone, clean up after yourself. Practice patience, know you're loved, don't talk with your mouth full. Say please and thank you, share your toys, say sorry and accept apologies. Try new things, always tell the truth, do your best, wash behind your ears, never give up and love each other. So anyways, here is the bathroom downstairs. Here's the shower, toilet, and here's the sink. Down here, keep our sunscreens here, brushes, and you can't open this. It's just, if you look here, I don't know if you saw it, but it's not even a door. And then we have the guest room here. There's the bed, TV there, storage, drawer, closet I can't open, and the TV box. We already have visitors here, and they left they went to Canada. Storage, chairs. Here's the living room, a bit messy right now. The TV's there, fireplace.
And crowd. Hi guys.
Brother. Hi guys. Here's my sister. Here's the table where we eat. Here's the counter. Miguel forgot to put the cereal away. Here, the kitchen. The pantry. The fridge. Storage for drinks and vitamins, coffee stuff, extra water. And then here's the backyard. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Bye.